In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn banner in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to make your LinkedIn profile stand out to potential employers, or you simply want to freshen up your page, changing your banner is a great place to start. So let's dive in. First off, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. You can sign in using your Google account for convenience, or you can use your LinkedIn credentials if you prefer a more traditional login method. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main feed of LinkedIn. Next, take a moment to locate your profile photo, which you should find in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select View Profile. This will take you straight to your LinkedIn profile where all the magic happens. Now here's where we're starting to get into the nitty-gritty of customizing your profile. Look towards the top of your profile page, and you'll find a camera icon situated on your current banner or background. This little icon is your gateway to changing your LinkedIn banner, so go ahead and give it a click. Upon clicking the camera icon, you'll be prompted to edit your profile background. This is your opportunity to browse your computer for a new image that better represents you and your professional brand. Take a moment to find an image that suits your professional image, whether it's a cityscape, a serene landscape, or a more abstract design. Ensure it's something that resonates with the message you want to convey on your LinkedIn profile. Once you've found the perfect image, click to open it and it will be uploaded as your new LinkedIn banner. That's it. With those simple steps, you'll have successfully changed your LinkedIn banner, refreshing your profile and hopefully making a stronger impression on anyone who visits. Remember, the banner is one of the first things people notice when they visit your profile. So choosing an image that aligns with your professional image is key. Take this opportunity to really showcase who you are and what you're about. In just about 5 minutes, you've taken an important step in personalizing your LinkedIn profile, making it stand out in a sea of professionals. Remember, a well-crafted LinkedIn profile can open doors to new opportunities, so never underestimate the power of a good first impression. Thanks for following along, and be sure to keep an eye out for more helpful tutorials like this one.